The question says a galvanometer with a scale divided into 100 equal divisions has a current sensitivity of 10 divisions per milliampere and a voltage sensitivity of 2 divisions per millivolt. To convert it into an ammeter of range 5 ampere, the necessary shunt resistance required is of. Now there is something new term for you: current sensitivity and voltage sensitivity. Now current sensitivity actually is defined as number of divisions per unit current, which is nothing but the number of divisions the instrument shows for a unit current measured. Now over here, this something, even if you don't know, you can see the value given over there. It is 10 divisions per milliampere. Now what does this mean? For 1 milliampere, the instrument will move by 10 division. This is what they mean. And they have already given the total number of division is 100 divisions. So if you want to find the total current which instrument can measure, we can just use unitary method, and we get X as 100 into 1 upon 10, and that will be 10 milliampere. So you can say the galvanometer current Ig is 10 milliampere from this. Similarly, there is a given as voltage sensitivity, which by definition is number of divisions per unit voltage measured, and that is nothing but for a particular voltage the number of division which is required to measure that unit voltage. Again, you don't need this definition because the value which is given over here is 2 division per millivolt, and that means 1 millivolt can be measured by the instrument with the help of 2 divisions, and we already know that the total number of divisions in this instrument is 100. So what will be the volt? If we want, we can find it using the unitary method, and we will get X as 100 into 1 upon 2 as 50 millivolt, and that means the potential difference across the galvanometer is 50 millivolt. Now definitely using this Vg and Ig, we can find the galvanometer resistance, which is G is equal to Vg upon Ig by generally the Ohm's law. So 50 millivolt upon 10 milliampere, definitely we are going to get 5 ohm as the resistance of the galvanometer. So this is what we found from the given data. Further, the data is given as we want the current to be for the ammeter to measure is 5 ampere. So for the converting the galvanometer which can measure 10 milliampere to an ammeter which can measure 5 ampere, what is the shunt required to be connected across the galvanometer of 5 ohm? Now definitely we can use current ratio, which N is equal to I by Ig, and that is 5 upon 10 milliampere, that is 10 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is equivalent to 500. Now we know S value is G upon N minus 1. The G is 5, N is 500, 500 minus 1 is 499. So 5 by 499 ohm is your final answer.